Welcome to my famous, well-known, creative, innovative, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. Friends, I am going little bit deep in machine learning. In my previous video, we have seen image classification using ResNet network model. But today we will going in somewhat deep about deep learning using DLIB library. We will be using ResNet and using Keras for image classification. But that images are something different. In my previous video, we have seen about face recognition, what confidence level was there, and that part was different. Means another face displayed, that confidence level was different, another face, means classification are done on something different parameter, but not there are single faces, there are many faces, there are many images, there are many objects. So how to classify different objects? So let us go in brief about the presentation, and then we'll go to program. Python image processing, DLIB library, ResNet image classification. So ResNet stands for residual network, and more specifically it is of residual neural network architecture. These networks are pre-trained on the ImageNet dataset, meaning that they can recognize 1000 common object classes out of the box. ResNet is a pre-trained deep learning model for image classification of convolutional neural network, which is a class of deep learning neural network most commonly applied to analyzing visual imagery. ResNet 50 is a 50-layer deep learning, and it trained a million of images of 1000 categories from the ImageNet database. Furthermore, the model has over 23 million trainable parameters, which identifies a deep architecture that makes it better for image recognition. Using a pre-trained model is highly effective approach compared to if you need to build it from scratch, because to build it from scratch it will take a lot of time. So we can use the pre-trained model, where you can need to collect the great amount of data and train it yourself. So let us go through the program. We are not going to see here face recognition object, we are going to see here different object. And Keras, here Keras is used for image tuning. Keras is used for image tuning, and this library we have seen in face recognition also in our previous video, where we have login and registration using face recognition. There also we have seen in this library, because this part is different, and this, and so model, and this is all about prediction part, and this is. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Yes, fine. Now I want to train the different object image recognition system, not face recognition. So I will upload the image of car. Now this is car, and how it is predicts. Yes, it is a race car. So different object prediction is done using ResNet and Keras library use. I hope you like this video of machine learning. It is very important if you are doing a project on machine learning, deep learning. These libraries, these fundas are very useful, and it can be a good project. I will be back with more and more creative videos on this topic of machine learning. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more creative videos on machine learning, then React.js, Node.js, Python, using Flask with curl operation, using SQLite database. We have seen using MySQL database. We have seen using MongoDB database. Now we will see CRUD operation using SQLite database. Thanks for watching.